The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is filing to sue Pulse Chain and Hex founder Richard Hart for securities fraud, mere days before the premiere of his Vanity movie project, The Highest of Stakes. With multiple serious charges against him and the potential for felony charges that may follow, should the Department of Justice follow the SEC lead, Hart looks set to discover the higher you rise, the harder you fall. Richard Hart, one of the most instantly recognizable figures in crypto, is facing a string of charges from the SEC following a court filing on July 31. The allegations against the crypto founder and influencer are damning. The SEC alleges Hart misappropriated at least $12 million in user funds, purchasing a string of luxury items including designer clothes, high-end watches, sports cars, and a 555-carat black diamond known as the Enigma. The SEC lawsuit states Hart raised $1 billion through the sale of Hex, Pulse Chain, and Pulse X. All of these cryptocurrencies are securities, according to the SEC.